Mm. Hello. We have a juice extractor here from Joyful Cargo. You can see the price. We want to unbox it. Let's see inside. This was a gift that I bought to my lovely spouse. Let's see. It has been wrapped well. Let's see what is there. It's wonderful, very beautiful. I know some people are saying that this is not a blender. We have a blender, but this is more powerful. This is when you like use. I can see manual. I can see this. Oh, so many things here. You can see this. We have that. Okay. This one is wonderful, 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 wonderful. You can see there. I don't know if it's recording. But I can see. Hey, this is wonderful. This is wonderful. I know whoever is going to use this is, whoever is going to use this is going to enjoy it. You can all see. Also, this is the cover. Very fresh and good. Let me see what is here. What is it on here? I expect this one to be somewhere there. Oh, yeah. That one will be that way. You can see that. I wish we had some fruits here. We will have done it practically, but I just want you to be patient. There's a lot of so many things here. It is not. So I think this goes this way. Good. Good. And then this. I think this is for the waste.
When you press switch.
Sweetie?
Yeah.
Go pole pole.
I can see.
Sweetie pesa ngapi?
Yeah, 5. Sasa hii switch.
This is likely the aim. We are going to try it out, and we shall be able to give you good review. So the manual, so you're supposed to see here. Pole pole. Good. How about this? So the function of this. We'll find out. I'm this is supposed to. Good. Also good. Full package. I will recommend the shop, but I don't really like their delivery service. It has taken us long to get it, a lot of struggle, but finally we have it here. I think I've done my part. We'll be able to give the final review once we work on it. There's a lot of work here to be had. You can see the manual, how we assemble it, what is expected of us. Good. Thank you and bye.